You can now publish talking head videos across every major social platform daily without ever recording a single second of footage. This is the final output of the system we are building, a photorealistic digital human avatar with natural facial movements and gestures. The entire process is hands-off. A single text prompt triggers a chain reaction that writes the script, generates the voiceover, animates the visual, and applies the captions. This setup requires 3 components. Airtable acts as our database, N8N is the automation engine that connects different apps, and specific AI APIs generate the creative assets. An API, or Application Programming Interface, is the protocol that allows these different software platforms to communicate and share data. To follow along, pause the video now to download the free templates in the description and gather the API keys for the services we'll be connecting. Establishing this automated infrastructure moves your role from manual production to managing the logic of the pipeline itself. First, open the Airtable template link from the description and duplicate the base into your personal workspace. This base contains 3 essential columns: ideas, scripts, and video output. These columns house the data that will drive the automation. Next, open your self-hosted N8N instance and use the import function to upload the JSON template file from the download pack. This vector map shows the newly imported N8N canvas. The workflow executes from left to right, beginning at the pulsing trigger node. Connect your duplicated Airtable base to this initial trigger node, establishing a continuous link that monitors your database for new content ideas. Using this pre-built template provides a functional node-based workflow for content creation, which connects your tools without needing to write custom code. To process the media files, you must install FFmpeg. FFmpeg is a command line tool used for handling and converting video and audio files. Within this workflow, N8N uses FFmpeg to mathematically stitch the generated audio voiceover onto the final AI avatar video. These are the exact commands you need to install FFmpeg. Run these directly in your N8N hosting dashboard to enable media processing. If you skip this installation, the automation will be unable to merge the files, and the final rendering stage will fail. Now, create local folder paths within your N8N environment to provide a dedicated storage location for the audio and video files generated during the run. On the N8N canvas, locate the OpenAI node and paste your API key into the authentication field. Complete the setup by pasting your remaining credentials for 11 labs and the AI avatar creator into their respective nodes. Once these nodes are authenticated, the workflow has the authorization required to generate media and process your content. Your daily routine starts by finding a single viral idea from a platform like Reddit, or using a scraping tool to identify trending topics. Paste that idea into the first Airtable column and click the Generate checkbox to start the run. Ticking the box fires the sequence, lighting up each node as progress tracks. First, ChatGPT scripts your idea, and 11 Labs synthesizes the voiceover. Finally, the AI avatar renders the visuals, and Whisper's speech recognition applies perfectly matched captions. This automated sequence converts a production process that usually takes hours into a task that requires less than 5 minutes of data entry. When the run finishes, the completed MP4 file saves automatically to your designated local output folder. The end result is a high-quality digital avatar delivering your presentation with perfect lip synchronization and entirely natural movement. You can further automate the distribution by integrating Blotado, which takes the finished video and publishes it across all your social accounts automatically. To get started, use the community link in the description to access the blueprint and all the templates shown in this tutorial. By utilizing this automated pipeline, you can scale your content output based on your ideas rather than the physical time spent in front of a camera.